Check out how big these lots are in comparison to the new builds that are being built. We call them Cracker Jack box communities because the builders have just packed them in. But you get a really nice size lot. I'm going to show you guys the backyard too. This home offers 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. You've got an upper patio, balcony space to have coffee on, as well as a cute little front porch. Nice family-friendly neighborhood that also offers a community pool as well as a community playground. Come check it out. I would love to see you guys. Let's go outside here and check out the patio space. So not only do we have a nice covered space, they have extended it with some nice pavers. So you've got lots of areas to entertain here. And then look how big this lot is, you guys. Plenty of room if you desire a pool. Plenty of room to put a pool in back here. And then look on this side, as you can see, double gate there. So again, easily fit a pool. Nice willow tree there. Let's go inside. Right here to your right, you've got double doors that lead to a bedroom. The sellers have used it as an office, would also make a great nursery. To your right, we have a guest bath. And then we're going to walk into your open living space. Tons of kitchen cabinetry with granite countertops. Loads of counter space for entertaining. Huge dining space that would easily house a farmhouse table or a large round. We've got a gas fireplace open to your living area. Let's check out the master. Look at how large this master bedroom is. It is definitely oversized. And then we've got double doors that lead to your master bath with a large soaking tub, double sinks. Let's take a look upstairs. As we travel up, we've got an open bonus space that could be used as a playroom, office, or whatever fits your needs. We've got a large closet here, so tons of closet space and storage. This is a full-on guest suite with an ensuite bathroom and a closet that leads to attic space. We've got an additional 2 large bedrooms over here. An adorable bedroom here. And an additional bathroom for these 2 bedrooms.